Welcome, Matt here from the Mr. Gardener YouTube channel, and as you can see beside me we've got ourselves a new mower. So this is EGO's 47cm self-propelled battery lawnmower. So we've only had this mower for about a month, so this is not going to be a full review. I will be doing one later on in the year, so if you're interested in that, maybe consider subscribing. Just thought I'd just show you a few of the features that this mower has, talk over them a little bit. So the mower comes in about £500 to £600, which is quite reasonable for a battery lawnmower, and certainly quite reasonable for a petrol lawnmower that can do what this can, and it is comparable to a petrol in terms of performance. For that price you get the mower. You can get it delivered or you can buy it from a dealer. It also comes with the 5 amp hour battery plus a fast charger. This is a great little combination. It's perfect for small gardens to medium sized gardens. The 5 amp hour battery is very capable. You get about 35 minutes of runtime out of it, so it's perfectly capable of doing easily small lawns to medium, even touching on large lawns. And with that fast charger, it barely takes an hour to charge, so if you have got a larger lawn and the one charge doesn't do it, then you can easily just charge it, have a cup of tea, and you'll be ready to go again. If not, it's easy to get another battery. They come in sizes of 2.5 AMH, 5 AMH, 7.5 and the monster, which is 10 AMH. It's a 47cm deck, and it's a poly deck as well. It's mainly a plastic construction, the whole mower, with a few bits of metal, but it's all good quality solid plastics. We've hit a big stone and it took that really well actually, so very impressed by that quality, even though it's a plastic deck. Comes with a single height adjust lever, which is a lot more practical than having to do all four wheels, and that's just tucked down here. It's got lights as well if you're inclined to mow in the dark, not that they'll do much, and also comes with a safety key as well, so even if the battery's stored in the mower, you can take that out and no one can use the mower. As I mentioned, it's self-propelled, and it's a variable speed self-propelled system, and it's got a good variability from a sort of slow crawling sort of pace to a decently fast walking pace. So if you're covering a large lawn, you can easily set it to a nice speed and you can nip along. Only thing I would say is it does affect the battery use if you use the self-propelled, so you won't get quite as much runtime as you might expect, but it's very easy to push anyway, so you don't necessarily have to use the self-propelled all the time. It's got a 55 litre grass collection box. It also can mulch, rear discharge, and of course collect if you want to. You have to get a mulch plug for it to fully mulch. It's only about £14 for that, and it does bag very well actually. One of the perks of battery tools is the storage abilities of the machine. Because you haven't got any oil or fuel to worry about, they can be stood up and kept in very small spaces. This one folds up to the size of a wheelie suitcase, and you can wheel it around on the back wheels, so it's really practical for that. You pop this down, that shrinks, and then you've got a lever here that folds the handle down over the unit and then just pick it up. The unit only weighs 27 kilos, so it's very manageable. Talking of the handle, you've got 3 levels of adjustment on the handle, so you can get it in the right position for you. But all in all, it's a very impressive unit and pretty reasonably priced for what you get as well. I will just play a few little clips of the machine in action just to show you what it's like. I will be doing further videos on this, as I say, a full review later on in the season, plus a few other videos on a few extras. I'm going to get the mulching kit for this, plus the twin clip blade as well. I'll do a video on that to show you how effective that is, and I will be doing a video on a roller as well, which you can fit to the back of this mower as well. So all of those things at the moment I'm waiting for. They're a little bit delayed in coming out because of coronavirus, so when I get them I'll be posting a video so you can see those. always, if you've got any questions or comments about the product, again, drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Let me know if you're using battery mowers and what your experience is with them. And of course, if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. And that just leaves me to say once again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.